Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed maintenance guide for your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 316 IRU8. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your laptop running smoothly. First, let's gather the tools you will need. A Phillips screwdriver, size number 0 is usually ideal. A plastic spudger or prying tool. A can of compressed air for cleaning dust. Isopropyl alcohol and microfiber cloth for surface cleaning. Begin by shutting down your laptop and disconnecting all power sources. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Typically, there are about 10 screws. Gently use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back panel. Start from one corner and work your way around, applying gentle pressure to avoid any damage. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any missed screws. Once the back panel is off, you will see the internal components. This is a great opportunity for cleaning. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. Be sure to do this in a well-ventilated area and keep the can upright to avoid moisture. If you notice any buildup of grime on the surfaces, take a microfiber cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe down the components. Avoid direct contact with any circuit boards and connectors. Now, let's talk about the RAM and storage. If you want to upgrade or check your RAM, locate the RAM slots. They are usually secured with small clips on either side. Carefully release the clips and slide the RAM module out. If you're installing new RAM, align it properly and press down until you hear a click. Regarding storage, if you're upgrading to an SSD, locate the storage bay. You will find screws holding the SSD in place. Remove them, and replace the old storage with your new one if needed. After cleaning and checking components, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully align the back panel and press down until you hear it snap into place. Replace all screws tightly but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the casing. Finally, remember that if you don't have the tools or confidence to perform these tasks, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about any calls or travel. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair work is done. Now, power on your laptop and check if everything is running smoothly. Regular maintenance can greatly enhance the lifespan and performance of your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 316 IRU8, ensuring it serves you well for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.